multiply, right? And means the multiplication. So in this we'll have, suppose we'll have a dot 0. Okay, a dot 0, we'll have a dot 1 or we'll have a dot a and we'll have a dot a bar. Then what would be the output for this? A dot 0 is how much? Can you tell me? 0, because 0 multiplied by any term is always equal to 0. Now next tell me a dot 1 is how much? A, because 1 multiplied with any term that will result into the same term. Now tell me a dot a is how much? A dot a is a. How it will become a? Either the value of a is equal to 0 or will have the value of a is equal to 1, right? So if I multiply 0 multiplied by 0, it's 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 only. So whatever the value of a you are multiplying, that would be the same value. So that's why it's a dot a is. Now tell me for a dot a bar. A dot a bar, yes, it's 0. Okay. Now similarly we'll do the same thing for OR law. A plus 0, a plus 1, a plus a, and a plus a bar. Now tell me the output of all these terms. Yes, a plus 0 is a, 1 plus, basically how will we remember it? If we'll add 1 to the any term, mean 1 only. A plus a is a plus a bar is 0. A plus a bar is not 0, 1. Because if we'll get a is equal to 1 and a bar is equal to 0, then 1 plus 0 is always equal to 1, right? So now the third law is the inversion law. Inversion law is a bar bar. So bar and bar would be cancelled out. Answer is ultimately A. Okay. Apart from that, we'll have some another laws also, that is known as commutative law, associative law, and distributive. Okay. In commutative law, we'll have A dot B is equal to B dot A, that you have studied in the maths also, right? A plus B is equal to B plus A, right? Next one is associative law, that is A dot B dot C equal to A dot B dot C, correct? Similarly, we'll have A plus B plus C is equal to A plus C, right? Then the distributive law is A dot plus C is how much? AB plus AC. Got it? Note this down. Okay. Next one is the De Morgan's theorem. Okay. What is basically the De Morgan's theorem? It is very important. That is, if we'll have A B bar, that will be like it's A dot B bar. So it would be A bar plus B bar. Okay. If we'll have dot above bar, then it would be represented by plus. If we'll have plus above bar, then it will be represented by dot. Okay, clear? Basically, whenever we'll have dot above bar on that, dot means the multiplication, right? Then that would be converted into addition in the De Morgan's theorem. Okay. Similarly, if we'll have plus above bar, then that would be converted into multiplication. Okay. So if we'll have suppose A dot B bar, then its answer is A bar, right? Then we'll have dot bar. If I'll write it separately, then we'll have B bar, correct? So dot bar, we can represent it dot bar by sign of plus, correct? Understood? So, um, this is one of the De Morgan's theorem. Another theorem is A plus B whole bar. Tell me the output for that. Like if we'll have like A plus whole bar, that would be A bar dot B bar. So this is the second theorem. Understood? Okay. These are the important laws and are called as Boolean laws, which you need to remember it. Okay. Now see how the question comes in your exam. They'll give the expression like suppose A plus B, A plus C is equal to A plus B. So what they'll say that you have to prove the following Boolean expression. Basically, you need to prove the left hand side with equal to the right hand side. Either you can take it left hand side, then prove it to right hand side, or either you can take it to right hand side, then prove it to left hand. Okay, so it would be A plus B. If I'll open this bracket, I'll take it left hand side because that would be easy to convert, easy to solve, right? If I'll open this bracket, then it would be how much? A into A plus C, right? Plus B into A plus C, correct? So if I'll multiply, that would be A dot A plus A dot C plus B dot A plus B dot C. Okay. So as you know, A dot A is how much? Tell me. I just simplify bracket. A multiplied with the bracket multiplied with the bracket. We have done in the maths. Like in the maths, we have done a 2 plus 3 equal to x plus 5. So it would be 2 into x plus y plus 3 into x plus 5. Right? Now tell me, A dot A is how much according to the Boolean laws? No, A dot A is not 1. Just see the formula. So it would be how much? That is A 1 plus C 1. A dot 1 plus B A plus B. Right? Now tell me the next step. Finally, take C. We can take B also common from. But we can see that if we'll take the B common, then we'll not get the same answer as we required, right? So that's why I have taken A common, right? So that will be 1 plus B will become 1 and will remain as it is. Have to see what is our requirement. According to our requirement only we have to move. Or one more thing, as you already know in this step we need BC. Don't touch BC. So from all these terms, we can take A common, right? So it would be 1 plus C plus B. And as I told you, if I'll add 1 to the any term, that will remain 1. So ultimately we'll get A from here and BC from here. It's our final and required, correct? Now, similarly, like this is the simplest expression I give it to, but in Manipal, as you already know, they won't be able to give simple right? They'll always give you the tricky. Now the second one is this one, A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. Now do it for this one. Okay, see how can we solve it? We need to open the bracket, right? AB will remain as it is plus AB plus AC plus BB plus BC, right? So as you can see that this term, this term, this term, A we can take it common, right? We want AC, but we can't touch AC. So we will not take term common from AC because we want AC as it is, right? Now this at B. So can we take B common from these three terms, right? AB, BB, BC. We can take B common from these terms. So it would be B, left one is like, what would be the one more thing? Sorry. B dot B is how much? Tell me. B dot B. If I told you A dot A is how much? A dot A is, similarly we'll have B dot B. B dot B is how much? B, right? So B plus BC, correct? So from here we can take B common. That would be 1 plus A plus C, correct? These two terms are as it is. So 1, if I'll add 1 to any term, that will remain 1. So that would be B dot 1, right? B dot 1 is again B, correct? AC is as it is, then AB. Now from these two terms we can take B again common. That would be 1 plus A, right? Plus AC as it is. So 1 plus A is 1 again. So the final answer is B plus AC. Okay.